Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a a typewriter text effect on CapCut PC. So select your default text here and just add it to your video, and I'm just going to type in clouds. There were clouds in my coffee, and you're so vain. I'm gonna change the font on this one. You're so vain. I'm also just going to change the font, go to animation here and go to the end one and just find the typewriter animation and just add it to your video. You can also adjust how fast you want this to go. Also, you can add like a typewriter sound effect if you'd like to, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.